Friends, today we are going to discuss about sodium borohydride, which is a mild reducing agent as compared to lithium aluminum hydride, which is a very strong reducing agent. So we have discussed some main points regarding sodium borohydride. So we are going to discuss point to point. Okay, so please listen, and if you want to write any in your notes, then you can write. We mention here very selective points, so it may be important for in competitive exams or theoretical exams. Okay, so first of all, if you see, we have added that it is a hydrogen generator. Means suppose that this is your ketone, and if you applied sodium borohydride, okay, so what happened here? There are four molecules of hydrogen. So first of all, it releases hydride ion which attack on this, okay, and it will reduce the in OH. Okay, so it is hydrogen generated. So here if you see here, it acts as a nucleophile, okay, and it is known as selective reducing agent. Means it selectively reduce some functional group, and remaining it does not reduce. So that's why it is called selective reducing agents, okay, and it acts on polyfunctional group since it is selective reducing agent. So if you want to reduce any selective functional group, and in which there are a lots of functional group is present, then you can apply this sodium borohydride. So that's why it is called polyfunctional group, okay, polyfunctional group. Very important point is this, okay. And the second point is it does not act on CO. Some functional group in which, since it is selective, so there are a lot of functional group in which it does not act, okay, like that ester, amide, acid, epoxide, NO, and double triple nitroso, etc. Okay, so the again main points is, the third point is sodium borohydride used in methanol. Means if reaction is carried out, suppose that this reaction is carried out, this type of suppose that this ketone, if you want to reduce this CO, and sodium borohydride is added here, so there is a need of some solvent, okay, like methanol, ethanol, okay. So it provides medium. So the solvent which is used as polar aprotic, means polar protic solvent is used here, okay, like that, ethanol, methanol, as compared to if you see lithium aluminum borohydride case, in which polar aprotic solvent is means used like ether, okay, ether, THF, like that, okay. So in this, if you see, is a sodium borohydride, mainly ethanol, methanol, sometimes water is used, and it is polar protic solvents, okay. So the fourth point is, we have mentioned here that BH strength, means BH bond is, since BH bond is strong as compared to aluminum hydride, so it releases is having tendency to release less tendency to release hydride ion, okay. So and that's why we mentioned that hydrogen ion releasing tendency, okay, releasing tendency is less as compared to aluminum hydride bond is weak, that's why it easily donate hydride ion, okay. So that's why we mention here. The fifth point is lithium aluminum hydride, it is a strong reducing agent compared to lithium borohydride. If you compare in between two, then lithium aluminum hydride is very strong. And second one, we have mentioned four reducing agents, and compare this, in which lithium aluminum hydride is very strong, then lithium borohydride, then sodium borohydride, then sodium BS3CN. It is very poor reducing agent. And why it is poor reducing agent? So you can see BS3, this is Na plus, and this is BS3, okay, and it is attached to Cl. Since if you see the sodium borohydride, hydrogen releasing tendency is very less, so in this cyanide is also attached here, which attracts electron from this, so it is unable to release hydride ion more means easily. It cannot release hydride ion Means if you see sodium borohydride, in case of sodium borohydride, BH bond is also very strong, and here electron withdrawing group is attached, so that's why its tendency to release hydrogen and become more slowly. Okay, so that's why it is very poor reducing agent. So how to prepare, the next point we have mentioned there, that you can prepare this BOCH3 whole thrice by adding 4 NaS molecules. So you can prepare this. Okay, and okay, so it is all about sodium borohydride. Some okay, so if you see this sodium borohydride, it is the reaction is carried out methanol and ethanol. Okay, but if you lithium aluminum hydride polar protic solvent, you cannot use because it will be burst. Okay, so that's why we mentioned this point. And some reaction we also, some important reaction we mentioned here, that sodium borohydride, if you reaction carried out aldehyde, acid chloride and ketone, so ketone acid, it is the same reaction, so that's why it reduces RCH2OH. Okay, and olefinic ozonide, it converts, if you add sodium borohydride in methanol, then it reduces to 2 moles of alcohol. So you can suppose that this one is double bond. Okay, olefinic ozonide. So what happen here, first of all, it forms this type of complex structure. Okay, after that what happened, it form 2 moles of alcohol. Okay, so you can again ester, simply ester will the sodium borohydride does not reduce the ester, but in the presence of lithium chloride, aluminum chloride and diglyme, okay, it reduces to RCH2H and ROH. Okay, CN nitrile it cannot reduce. Okay, N2BH4 it reduces to benzene. Okay, this is very important reaction. If you add sodium borohydride in tertiary halide, then it reduces to alkane. It is very important reaction. Okay, again what happened here, this is ketone, so it is easily reduced. This is ester will be not reduced, but in the presence of lithium chloride, aluminum chloride, it can be reduced to alcohol. Okay, RCHNS it can reduce to RCH2. N3-azide is also reduced to amine. So it is the some important reactions we mentioned here, but we have some reactions is very important, such as if you see here this one. Okay, and this one N3 is very important reactions. And okay, so it is ester will not reduce, amide will also not reduce. If you add here, it will not reduce. So the question is why these amides C ester not reduce. First point is this CONH2. So if you see here this lone pair of electron, means in such type of problem what happen here, dissonance is found. So that's why it is unable to reduce such type of, because in the solution it exists in tautomeric form like that. Okay, so that's why when hydride comes, then tendency of hydride to reduce this is very less, so that's why it cannot reduce it. Okay, so it is a major some points regarding sodium borohydride. So you can write down, and before going to exam you should be remind these points, may be very useful for that. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries, then should write the comments on the comment below comment box. Okay, we will solve your problem. Okay, so thank you friends.